Hello everyone and welcome, and we are going to look at adjectives ending in consonant and a Y. How do you handle adjectives ending in consonant and a Y? In comparative form or in comparatives. Remember, we saw comparatives in the previous video. If you didn't watch it, please watch this video above. Okay, adjectives ending in consonant and a Y, there is a way how we handle them. Waliwo engeri gye tukwasaganyamu buno obugambo obunnyonnyola erinnya oba ekintu ky'oyogerako nga busembyayo consonant ne Y. So please stay tuned and watch up to the end because you're going to understand how do we handle these adjectives. Okay, let's get started. A point to note, when you see an adjective ending with a consonant and a Y, consonant letters, we looked at them. You can refer to the video above. So you are going to change this Y and you are going to put I. After that, you are going to add ER. One more time, you drop or you change the Y, you add I and ER. In Luganda ntegeeza ki? Ogenda kujjawo eno Y oteekewo I. In other words, eno I edda mu kifo ekya Y kyebaddemu n'ogattako add ER as we're going to see in examples. One more time, if you're going to change this adjective in comparative form and that adjective is ending with Y, ogenda kukyusa Y ogiteekemu I, then ogateko ER. Let's have a look at some examples such that you further understand me. For example, adjective, and this is the comparative form. For example, do you see this? Can you read this? Excellent. This is happy. Repeat that. Happy. And happy in Luganda, it means musanyufu. Okay? Musanyufu. So happy is ending with Y. Esembyayo Y. So tugambye, eno Y ogijjako, you can see, you have removed the Y and you've added I, then ER. So instead of writing Y, you are going to add I, ER. For example, happy will change to happier. So happy will change to happier. E will change to happier. Have you seen where there was Y? I'm going to put I, ER. So happy changes to happier. Easy is ending with Y. We remove the Y and put IER. So easy will change to easier. Repeat that. Easy, easier. And easier, mu Luganda tugamba kyangu okusinga. Okay? Because you're comparing two things ogeraganya bintu bibiri. So easy, it means easier. Busy, you remove the Y and add IER. It becomes busier. Okay? Busy will become busier. Heavy, remove the Y and put IER. So heavy will change to heavier. Are we together? One more time. You remove the Y and add IER. So happy becomes happier. Easy becomes easier in the comparative form. Busy will become busier in comparative form. Heavy becomes heavier in comparative form. Okay, let's have a look at clear sentences and further examples. For example, sentences in comparatives. Emboozi mu comparative form obanga tugeraageranya bintu bibiri. Okay, we have I am happier than before. I am happier than before. I am happier than before. In Luganda, we say ndi musanyufu okusinga edda. Ndi musanyufu okusinga edda. So ndi musanyufu okusinga edda. Hope you've noted the happier. We've removed the Y and add IER. Excellent. Another sentence. German is easier than I expected. One more time. German is easier than I expected. You can see, so easy changes to easier. German is easier than I expected. And this in Luganda, it's German. So once you are embedding another word from either language, we are going to use quotation marks. So German, lwangu okusinga we nasuubira, oba olugirimaani lwangu okusinga wenasuubira. Is that okay? So German, lwangu okusinga wenasuubira. Another sentence. This bag is heavier than that one. One more time. This bag is heavier than that one. This bag is heavier than that one. And please, what's this in Luganda language? I am looking forward to seeing your answers. So write me your answers in the comment section. Okay, hope you've learned something. Let's meet up in the next video. Remember, the channel is BennyBenny2178. Subscribe, like, and share. Bye-bye. Wait about.